We're closely monitoring the forecast here, but the big question is just how much snow we're going to get. KDKA First Alert Meteorologist Trey Fulbright is back to track it all out for us. Trey.
That's right, Erica. Some of us could be dealing with double-digit totals by this time tomorrow evening. We're going to show you that here in just a second. But first, the snow begins this evening after 10 p.m. in our southern counties, and then we see that snow become widespread through the evening and overnight hours. Widespread snow expected tomorrow. Pretty much everyone's going to get that. Our temperatures will be in the low to mid-teens tonight, gradually rising to near 17 tomorrow morning. Again, the snow begins 10 p.m. to 4 a.m. Heaviest snowfall rates between 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. Sunday, with 1 to 2 inch per hour rates likely. If you're south of the I-70 corridor down toward I-68, that's where we could be looking at that warm nose coming in, allowing for a little bit of mixing. And then on the backside of that storm system, winds begin to ramp up. That could lead to some areas of blowing snow on Monday, along with the potential of major travel issues. So snowfall amounts, this is by early in the morning. Snow that comes in tonight will be fairly light. Most areas are going to see upwards of 1 to 3 inches on the ground first thing tomorrow morning. But when I talk about those 1 to 2 inch per hour rates, look at how these snowfall totals balloon through the day tomorrow. So you can see we see those amounts increase upwards of 6 to 9 inches on the ground by noon. And there's a good chance that many of us will be seeing upwards of a foot or more. And I think some of those heaviest bands that are going to set up tomorrow are likely going to be between the I-70 and the I-80 corridor. You can see those lower amounts down to the south and east where we're going to have a little bit of that warm air mixing in. Winter storm warning in effect for all of our counties. You go east, you're in it. West, you're in it as well. This is a widespread storm system with snow that is beginning out to the west across parts of central Ohio, back west into Indiana and Illinois. The leading edge of this is running to a little bit of dry air, so it's not going to come down heavy at first, but once we begin to add in that moisture, that snow will begin to gradually pick up through the evening and overnight hours. And you can see all of this that we have to go through, still over 1,500 miles down to the south and west of precipitation. And that's why as this works its way north and east across our area, those amounts are going to step up. So as we get close to midnight, you can see areas I-70 down toward I-68, some light snow beginning. Those heaviest snowfall rates will start to pick up as we get closer to 6 a.m. And anywhere you have any of these west to east oriented bands, that's where those 1 to 2 inch per hour rates are going to set up. And look at how long this persists across our area. This is by 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. Notice down in our southern counties, areas like Uniontown, down toward Kingwood, Morgantown, Oakland, Maryland, could see a little bit of that sleet mix in as some of that warm, moist air works its way in, allowing for a brief changeover. But still, everyone northwest of there still getting some very heavy snowfall rates. Those 1 to 2 inch per hour rates still going around 4 to 5 p.m. And then those finally start to shut down once we move into the evening hours with temperatures that will be falling back into the mid-teens. So as we work our way into today, Monday, the heaviest snow with the main upper level storm system moves out, but then we'll be left with some scattered snow showers through the day. Final snowfall forecast for our area, widespread 10 to 16 inches. I-80 corridor, Mercer, Venango, Forest, and Clarion counties getting in on that down toward Route 422. Some of the high resolution modeling I was looking at was suggesting we could even see locally higher amounts. It wouldn't rule out some areas seeing upwards of 18 to 20 inches somewhere around Route 422 down toward the Pittsburgh metro area. And then our southernmost counties, 8 to 12 inches where that warm nose may come in and allow for some sleet to mix in for places like Uniontown over toward Waynesburg and Morgantown with this storm system. So again, the heaviest snowfall in our area in years, and if we see over 15 inches of snow tomorrow, that would be, we could easily break one of those snowfall records, at least for one of the greatest snowfalls on a daily basis here in Pittsburgh. We'll talk a little bit more about that later on this evening. But first alert days are in effect Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday for the winter storm. Bitter cold moves in as we work our way into Tuesday. Those morning lows below zero Tuesday and Wednesday mornings. And it's likely we're going to stay in this pattern with below normal temperatures going into the end of January.
And KDKA will have you covered throughout the storm. Our team of meteorologists and reporters will be here all weekend long, updating you on the current conditions. If you're away from a TV, you can stream our coverage live and free on CBS News Pittsburgh at KDKA.com.